اوه احمد نسيت اشتري زبده حق البيت، روح اشتري زبده.
اروح وحدي؟
ايوه وحدك، يلا خذ فلوس.
وإيش عن الطريق؟
وإيش عن الطريق؟ أنا وأنت جينا كذا مرة وأنت عبرت الطريق معي كذا مرة مع بعض، ولا بعدك طفل صغير؟
أنا ما طفل صغير.
عقب يلا روح بسرعة. أحمد، أنا آسف على اللي حصل اليوم. لو السيارة ما توقفت في الوقت المناسب الله أعلم وش راح يصير.
ما مشكلة بابا.
لا مشكلة، هذه غلطتي أنا المسؤول عن سلامتك، من المفروض إني أنبهك ما أعرضك للمشاكل.
قصدك مثل عبور الشارع؟
أيوة مثل عبور الشارع، أنا افترضت إنك تعرف تعبر الشارع، بس أنا كنت غلطان.
أنا آسف بابا.
لا يا حبيبي أنا اللي آسف، أنت حاولت تخبرني إنك خايف تعبر الطريق بنفسك، بس أنا اللي ما سمعت كلامك. أوعدك إنه هذا ما راح يتكرر مرة ثانية.
طيب بابا خبرني كيف أعبر الشارع بأمان؟
Okay guys, we finished milling. Now we pull out a hole and we lay down some pipe. So everybody knows what you have to do guys, so let's go and do it.
بيسحب بيبات. What? بيسحب البيبات.
Badr,
Yes.
take Sultan and Hosni, go to the pipe rack, go to the catwalk. You need to roll some pipes, etc. But you know all these jobs, so go out and let's get this done. The rest of you, go up to rig floor. Remember pulling pipe. Everybody knows their job.
It says you don't know.
You don't know, what's your name?
Said.
Said, new guy. Okay, brother, no problem. Take Said. He's a new man. And show him what has to be done.
MashaAllah.
Show him, don't be stupid. How many years you finish? You know your job. Take him and show him the job.
I'm sorry Turbushan, this is not a proper toolbox talk. Unless you do a proper toolbox talk, I'm not working.
Yeah, well, who do you think you are?
Who do you think you are, sir, to take a chance with our safety? We haven't talked about any of the risk and how to avoid them, or the correct procedures to carry out the work.
Yeah, but everyone, you all know what you have to do.
No, we don't. Saeed already has told you that he doesn't know what he's doing. Even we have done it 100 of times. We still should go over the procedures to keep them fresh in our mind.
وش المشكلة يا سالم؟
يا أخي المشكلة أنا قبل كم يوم كنت أفقد ابني بسبب بس عبور الطريق، وهنا عندنا مخاطر كثيرة لازم ننتبه لها ونشوف يعني وش المخاطر. تربوشة, unless you do a proper toolbox talk, I'm not working.
But I was only trying to save some time.
A toolbox talk takes only a few minutes, and it's for our benefits. We are like a family here. If we are really like a family, we have to take care about each other.
Okay, Salim, no problem. We'll do this correctly.
وانتوا الاثنين انتبهوا حتى لا تربوشها مرة ثانية.
Okay sir.
Okay, brother. Let's do this the correct way. I need you to go and get the procedure book, the one trick card, and High's ID pictures. Okay, so let's do this properly. Go.
Before undertaking any toolbox talk, take a few minutes to fill out a trick card, a toolbox talk risk identification card. It will concentrate your mind on the safety issues of the upcoming task, as well as giving you an easy to follow structure for the toolbox talk itself. Also identify the appropriate Has ID picture cards to show the crew the hazards to watch out for, as well as the correct way to accomplish a task. The preparation you do here will ensure that your crew are well prepared to undertake the tasks at hand safely.
Okay, gentlemen, we have just finished milling. Circulation going on now. After a short while, we will start to pull pipe.
اوكي شباب، سيركيليشن الحين قاعدين نسركل، وان شاء الله بعد فتره وجيزه راح نبدا نطلع بول اوت ذا هول ان شاء الله.
We have a few joints.
To make sure that the whole crew understands the work they are about to do, it is essential that the toolbox talk is translated into the relevant languages of the crew.
اوكي ان شاء الله كذا بيب راح نعمل لاي داون، ويا ليت ان ما حد يكون واقف جنب الفيدور، طبعا راح على الفيدور وعند الكاتورك.
When we lay down the pipe, the foreman here makes sure that the roustabout's rolling the pipe properly. Watch your fingers.
ان شاء الله لما نسوي لاي داون البيبات
Work through the trick card in a systematic way to talk about the tasks, hazards, controls, and responsibilities of the job.
Okay, when we are racking back the pipe, the first stand is not a problem. The stands after that, as you're putting them, watch your fingers, and also make sure you allow driller to see, have a clear line of sight with the pipe and the drill.
طبعا لما نبدا نطلع بول اوت ونوقف البيبات على الريج فلور، طبعا اول ستاند ما اعتقد انه راح تكون فيه مشكله كبيره، بس بعدين نحاول نحط ايدنا برا البيبات بحيث انه ما نتعور. ثاني شيء نحط مقال حق الحفار انه يشوف وين يحط البيب، ورجلك تكون بعيده عن البيب لما ينزل.
Okay, so that's all we have here. That'll take care of the pulling out when we'll have another safety meeting for the next operation.
Has ID cards are an important tool for you to use. Explaining a task is well and good, but explaining and showing pictures of the dangers and how to avoid them is much more effective.
Okay, men, we have here some Has ID cards. These are picture cards which show you the right way and the wrong way of doing some jobs. So on this first card here, we have laying down some drill pipe, and you see one man is standing on the catwalk. So while laying down or picking up any pipe, there should be no one standing on the catwalk. They should be standing off the catwalk.
طبعا شباب هنا في عندنا بعض الهازاردز عادي اللي هي راح تخبركم الطريقه الصحيحه والطريقه الخاطئه، فان شاء الله بعطيكم هذا تشوفونه كله. المفروض انه ما في شخص يكون واقف على الكاتورك، لازم يكون برا. اوزع على زميلك لو سمحت عشان تشوفه، ما يكون حد واقف على الكاتورك، لازم يكون بعيد.
Second one here, while picking up some pipe to the bedo, you see one man, he's trying to handle the pipe with his hands. Sometimes this pipe can be heavy and you will not be able to control it. So please use a rope. Using the mud bucket, the first picture you can see the guy, he's got his hand and it's strapped between the two halves of the mud bucket. So that's a pinch point. Use only the handles as is shown in the second picture.
اوكي، هنا الطريقة الثانية اللي هي المد باكيت. كيف تمسك المد باكيت؟ شفتوا كيف؟ في طريقة خاطئة، حط ايده في المد باكيت.
Before ending a toolbox talk, always make sure that every member of your crew understands their job and responsibilities.
Okay guys, do we have any questions?
حد عنده أي سؤال شباب؟ حد ما فاهم شيء؟
أنا ما فاهم شيء.
He don't know what his job or what he's doing.
Okay, he's a new man, no problem. So you take the new man and when we lay down the pipe, show him the proper method of rolling the pipe. Make sure his hands and fingers are clear all the time, and also keep an eye on him. So he needs to be supervised all the time.
طبعا تاخذ الاخ الجديد هذا لانه هو جديد ما فاهم شيء، فيا ريت انك تشيله تحت عند الكاتورك وتوريه وش هو عمله وش راح يسوي ان شاء الله. بتروح معه.
Okay, gentlemen, one last thing. Let me see your 10 fingers. We have come to work with 10 fingers. I want to see everyone's 10 fingers.
طبعا شباب كلنا جينا ب10 اصابعنا وراح نطلع ان شاء الله ب10 اصابع.
So when we leave from here, we should leave with 10 fingers.
يوم نطلع مني ان شاء الله راح نطلع ب10 اصابع.
All right? Okay, so let's go to work now.
اوكي يلا شباب راح نشتغل ان شاء الله.
Toolbox talks are an essential way to control risks on the worksite. Fill out and follow the guidelines in your trick card and use your Has ID picture cards. and you will keep your crew working safely. Because safety is teamwork. But teamwork starts with you. Now let's hear what the NB management thinks about Toolbox Talks.
The rig managers have got to take ownership of this before it's going to work.
Good point.
And it's not just at the start of the shift, it's any time a job changes.
تذكر اجتماع سلامة ليس مضيعة للوقت.
Crews have to take ownership of it.
Remember, toolbox talks are like seatbelts. They only protect you if you use them.
طاقم عملك هو عائلتك. اجتماعات ما قبل العمل تحميهم.
Safety is teamwork, and teamwork starts with you.